Okay, here let's see an example about how we can solve the combined probability using a tree diagram. Okay, let's start together. Here Jenny has a bag with 7 blue sweets and 3 red sweets in it. So the probability here is about to get 7 blue sweets or 3 red sweets. Okay, so do you think all of the sweets here 10? So the probability of blue sweets will be 7 over 10, and the probability of red sweets will be 3 over 10. Okay, she picks a sweet at random from the bag. Okay, then replaces it. Okay, what is the meaning here of replaces it? Okay, I wanted to take your attention to this word because of what? Because once I told you that replace, which means I return back what I choose first, then I will choose again. You got me? But if he said didn't replace it, which means I will take one from the total outcomes. You got the concept here? Okay, so he said here replace. Okay, so it's mean he returned it back what he choose, then he make another choice. Okay, so he replace it, then pick again at random. Draw a tree diagram. So first thing he wants from me to draw a tree diagram to represent its situations and use it to calculate the probabilities of 2 red sweets or no red sweets, at least 1 blue sweet, or 1 sweet of each color. Okay, let's see it. First of all, I told you first pick, it will be like this. I will start from this joint. Here for blue and here for red. The probability, as I told you, total is 10. 10 sweets. I take for blue 7. So it will be here 7 over 10. And the red will be 3 over 10 is here. Okay. So it's the first pick. Okay. What about the second pick? He said he replaced it. He replaced it means the total will be 10 again, right? As he returned back what he picked first, then he make another pick or second pick. Okay, let's see here. So from B, so here from B, he make a choice to blue and red at the same numbers, 7 over 10 and 3 over 10. You got this? And for the red, he will mix another second pick like this, 7 over 10 and 3 over 10. And that's all. Is it hard? It's so easy. Just to make the second pick, it's the same like first one, but for blue once and for red other. Okay? Let's see the outcomes here. So the outcomes here look very well. Here blue, blue, so it will be 2 blues. Okay, the answer will be multiply this probability times this probability to get the total. Okay, here blue, blue, red. So 1 blue and 1 red. I will multiply this number times this number to get the answer here. The third outcomes, amazing, red, then blue. Okay, 3 times 10, 3 over 10 times 7 over 10 here. The last one, red, red. Multiply the two probability here to get the total. Okay. And here how I can get the outcomes. Okay, but you should make sure that the sum of all these outcomes equals 1 or 100 over 100. You got me? So you should make sure all the probability equals 1. The summation of all the outcomes of probability equals 1 to make sure that your answer is right. Okay. Okay, coming to the first question here. He told me what is the probability to take 2 red sweets. Okay, 2 red sweets is here 2 red sweets, right? 2 red sweets, so it will be 9 over 100, right? Here 9 over 100. Let's see the answer. 9 over 100. Okay, no red sweets, which means the 2 will be blue, right? Okay, let's see here. The 2 blue, as here no red sweets, so it will be the probability, outcomes probability equals 49 over 100. Okay, let's see here. At least one blue. As we know, at least means 1 or greater than 1, or greater than 1. Okay? Okay, so what is the probability of the I wanted to take at least one blue? So it will be on 1 or 2, right? At least, which means 1 or more than 1, or greater than 1. So it will be here 1 or 2. So I have here 1 blue, and here 1 blue, and here 2 blue. Can I take this? Of course not, because here no blue sweet. Okay, so what I will do, to take all the probability of at least 1, I will add this probability plus this probability plus this probability. You got this? Or the easiest one, to take 1 minus probability of red. You got me? Choose which easier for you to get the answer. Okay. So the answer here would be 21 over 100 and 21 over 100 and 49 over 100. As I told you, maybe 1 minus red. Okay. Okay. The last question here, 1 sweet of each color. 1 sweet of each color, which means 1 red and 1 blue. Okay, where's I have 1 red and 1 blue? In these outcomes. So the answer here will be 21 over 100 plus 21 over 100 to get the answer here. You got this? Is that hard? Okay, let's see the second example here. When he says 5 boys' names and 6 girls' names are in a hat. Okay, find the probability in 2 drawers. A boy's name and girl's name are chosen. What does that mean? Which means I will not replace it, right? He didn't say here or mention that he will replace it. So which means I will subtract 1 from the outcomes in the second choose. Okay, let's see the first answer here. He said here 5 boys and 6 girls. So the total outcome is 11. Boys will be 5 and girls will be 6, like here. So here 5 over 11 for boys and 6 over 11 for girls. Is that hard? Okay. Second choice here. Okay, what he will do, he didn't say, as we said, he didn't mention or say there is here a replacement, right? So I will subtract from the outcomes 1, so it will be 10. The outcome will be 10. Okay, if I take boy, right? So the boy, the number of boys will reduced for 1, so it will be 4 over 10. And the number of girls will be constant, 6 over 10, right? Okay, what about here? If he said girls, what he will do, he will subtract 1 of the total outcomes, it will be 10, like here. And for the numerator, I will take 1 from the girls, as I choose first 1 girl, right? So the girls will be here 5, and the boys like it 5. So the probability here for the second choice, 5 over 10 for girls and boys for the second chance, and will be 4 over 10 and 6 over 10 for boys and girls in the second choice. Okay, the outcomes will be what? Boy, I will multiply 5 over 11 multiplied by 4 over 10, it will be 2 over 11. After you simplify, okay, for here, Amazing. Boy, girl. 5 over 11 multiplied by 6 over 10. It will be 3 over 11. Amazing. Here, girl and boy. Multiply 6 over 11 times 5 over 10 to get the answer. After simplify it. And for the last here, girl. Multiply 6 over 11 times 5 over 11 to get 3 over 11 after simplify. So the answer will be here of the probability. Here he wants what? The probability of name girl and boy are chosen. So where's girl and boy? Here. Sorry. Girl and boy will be here. So the probability will be 3 over 11 plus 3 over 11 equals 6 over 11. You got the answer here? And that's all. So you should take very attention for if there's here replacement or no. If there's here replacement, okay, it will be so easy. You will just add the second choice and write the same probabilities. If there is here no replacement, you will subtract 1 from the outcomes, and you will see if the first choice boy, you will subtract 1 from boy. If the second choice girl, you will subtract 1 from girl. You got me? And that's all. Thank you.